No, he's not heavy.
Did you notice
That was
something?
epic.
Did you notice something? Did you see the flash?
Yep.
Did you notice how much faster the speed of light is than the speed of sound? You saw the flash and it was significantly later before you heard the sound.
That was so cool.
No, I didn't, but I heard the girls. I heard them at the very end. As soon as I heard that, I might have talked to them. I better go pick up my GoPro. Yeah, those pieces are... Yeah, you can hear those pieces going down. I put barges over there now. I was too. That's right as the barges. First thing you see is the flash. Did you do it in slow mo?
I think I missed it. Yeah, it would have, because when I saw the light, then I started photographing, but I didn't catch the flash of the light.
That's where the high speed
Didn't get the capture.
guy that took this picture.
Did you get it, Alan? Huh? Yeah. Let's see it.
Whatever's easier for you. Text is just good if you can do it.